find footprints fading in the sand. Hear the ocean sing its song as we drift along the shore. Gulls are flying high above, sky so blue it speaks to me. Feel the salt upon my skin, chasing dreams with open hearts. Lost in the waves we go, tides will take us slow. Feel the rhythm flow, with the sea we grow. Seashells tell stories sweet of adventures far and wide. Watch the sunset